folks. I love this house that we're going to. The view is just spectacular. So after looking at the Corvette down at the barn, I thought I'd bring Doug and Jason on up here to the house and show them the real toys. Some of my viewers have seen a lot of these cars before, but they're always changing, like this Firebird. I haven't seen this before. Pretty sweet. Convertible, 67, immaculate. Look at that, oh my goodness. Maserati, blown lifted Jeep. This is pretty special right here. New Corvette, made to resemble a 62-ish. Sidecar bike. This thing's got a big block in it. I believe it's got like a 540 in it. He starts it up, it sounds like you're at the drag strip. 55 Chevy. Hey Doug, see those drawings up there?
Yeah.
You like those?
Yes.
I drew those.
Are you serious?
Yeah, those are originals that I gave to Terry. Yeah, they've got little notes to them on it.
Rick, you drew this.
These are my drawings.
Wow.
I kind of feel honored that they're in here with all this cool stuff. You know what I mean? Can you what?
Can I call him Dad?
Can you call him Dad? A lot of people probably wish they could. He's like family to me though. That guy, he saved Jamie and I's bacon when we had to move 50 trucks and we had no place to go. He put some faith in us. That's one of his favorites right there.
This thing's gorgeous.
Yeah. Give you a minute. If I hear any weird squishy noises coming from back there, I'm gonna come. No, I'm not. Never mind. Doug said, Rick, can I call him Dad? He's not that old, brother. Just eye candy everywhere you look. Think that might have been upgraded a little bit. Yeah, I told him. Yeah, this is the party house.
What's the story on the Jeep? I've seen that in a magazine, I think. Is that correct?
That thing won every award. And the guy had 160,000 in it, and it chromed and
Everything.
airbrushed everything.
Everything.
And it's incredible.
The whole undercarriage lights up. It's got a blower on it.
That's so badass. But I never did like Jeeps.
Well, I like this one.
What is there not to like on this?
It's just over the top, isn't it? Look at the frame.
But the detail,
Airbrushed to look
Yeah.
like polished aluminum diamond plate.
just the
so
detail.
clean.
I mean, look at the flags.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's all, they're all hands on, all.
Yeah, it's over the top. It's It's way over the top.
The 350 gumbo monsters on it.
Yeah, that don't mean nothing.
Terry, what are you asking for the blue one down there? That he almost had a heart attack when he looked at the blue Corvette down in the project car barn.
Oh, the 68?
Yeah.
I haven't put a price on it.
I'm just going to tell you right now that he's probably going to want me to put a price on it at some point, and that if I do, it's going to be more than the one we were looking at, because that car's pretty much done.
So what is different?
Well, this is
A new
back windshield.
Okay.
There's your power plant.
It's a new Corvette made to look like an old Corvette.
But it's not a fiberglass, it's a composite body. And
I drove this.
this car is fast.
I drove this. And if Terry hadn't snuck up behind me when he did, I might have done a burnout in it. I don't know.
So they've changed it to look, wow.
Well, it's a 62. But it's
Yeah, but look how sleek it is compared. Because basically, well, that car's got the front end on it, but not the back end. A 62 would have been the only one that looked a lot like this.
This GTO, look at it. And this is what, a 400 in it?
327. Look at the interior, Doug. Can you say brand new? Brand new. I told you I never know what to expect when there's always something new. Always. But Elizabeth, Terry, you got me. That was your best one. Elizabeth Taylor's dressing room from the movie Cleopatra. You really got me with that one.
What's the story on the bike?
Oh! It's just, you know, a remake of the German troops that fought in World War II. It's made by Russian copies.
Is somebody chooching me? Yeah, Terry likes that one. He drove that one home from Meekum.
That drives like a Cadillac.
We brought, what, 9 cars home from the Meekum Portland auction? It was a caravan. You should have seen the jaws dropping when we brought them all out here.
That'd be awesome.
It was fun. It was a good day.
That's really as far as what I've seen in movies.
This is a 22 Dodge, all Chevy.
Really?
Now, you talk about a car that's tight, listen to this one.
Yeah. And it's barely got wear on the engine.
Okay. Parts. Guy wants parts. All right. I'm saving a little battery. Can we step out on the back deck, Terry?
Yeah.
You got to see it, guys. You got to see it.
I think that GTO is probably
This was a guy in the trucking industry that built this for his home.
Yeah.
And it took him 7 years to get the permits because of the location.
Location.
Nothing could be built out there in the gorge.
Yeah.
And then it took him 5.5 years to build it. He was here for a very short time, but never officially moved in.
Yeah. I remember when Terry first got this, he had all this stonework redone out here and stuff. But look at this view. So that's Camas, Washington over there. Over there is Vancouver, and over there is Portland. And out here at night on the 4th of July, well, check my old videos because I shared it with you guys one time. Beautiful thing. I've flown my drone around this house. I love coming up here. He'll have a party and the whole house will be full and I'll be out here. I like it out here. Just a beautiful home. What's cool about Terry is he shares it with, he treats Jeannie and I like we're just, I don't know, just treats us like everyone else. Pretty cool. What do you think, Jason?
This place is amazing. Like, wow.
It's over the top, isn't it?
I love it.
All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for this video for me because my battery is just about dead. Anyways, Classic Truck Rescue, thanks for coming along with us on this Saturday and looking at some cool stuff, and it was fun. Holy cow, Batman. What the heck? Well, I hope I'm not dying. This doesn't look good.
Doug was asleep, but the birds are loving here.